Welcome back to Early Riser Workshop. Before I begin my next pottery challenge, I wanted to reuse some of the reclaimed clay that I had captured earlier, but I left it in the bag too long and now it's gotten pretty hard. So over the last couple of days, I've been wrapping it in a towel soaked with water and flattening it and letting the moisture get into the clay and making it softer. I've been doing this, I don't know, about 3 or 4 times now, and it's already gotten nice and soft and it's ready for wedging. That's one nice thing about working with clay as a medium is you can reconstitute the consistency of the clay until you get it where you want it, and just by introducing more water. I think this will go a little bit longer. So what I'll do now is flatten the clay to get a large surface area to soak up the water. And I have the advantage of using this portable plaster workstation, and I've saturated it with water so that instead of drawing the moisture out of the clay, it's helping to keep the moisture in the clay. So with the wet towel, wrapped around the clay, and then the clay is sitting on the canvas here, I can then take the entire workstation into the plastic tub, and then by sealing the tub, I'm controlling evaporation as well. So it's ready to set and let that moisture soak into the clay. I have another piece of clay. This came right out of the manufacturer's bag, and it also sat for quite a while, so it's gotten a little stiff. Now this is a larger lump of clay, and I want to treat this all the same so I can attempt to throw a large project. So once I finish kneading this piece of reclaimed clay, I'll then flatten this and do the same process to try to get this clay softened up for throwing. Well, that's it for Early Riser Workshop. Thanks for watching. Take care.